Hi everyone, we just got back from Laguna Hills. We toured this beautiful renovated home that's coming in just under $1.8 million. Let's have a look.
Step inside and take a quick tour of this beautifully renovated pool home in Laguna Hills, California. Priced beneath $1.8 million, this gem is ideally situated west of the 5 freeway, allowing you to enjoy a lifestyle free from homeowners association fees. Call us to explore all that this stunning property has to offer.
Enjoy low-maintenance landscaping in the entertainer's backyard, complete with a pool, spa, fire pit, and built-in barbecue. The west-facing orientation offers breathtaking sunset views, perfect for relaxing evenings and outdoor gatherings. The open floor plan creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere.
The spacious primary suite is conveniently situated on the main level with direct access to the backyard.
The well-appointed spa-style bathroom brings a zen vibe.
You will appreciate the closet's organized storage and built-ins.
The downstairs half-bathroom has a calm, modern feel.
The 3-car garage is a must-have.
Let's head upstairs.
For added privacy and comfort, the 3 additional bedrooms are found upstairs.
The 4th bedroom gets bragging rights. Take a look and find out why.
Here is one last look. To view the property details, click the link in the comments section of this post.
There is also a second link called Explore Laguna Hills. Here you will find all of the available single-family homes along with our contact information to set a showing. Thinking of your next move? Scott and Caroline are here to guide you every step of the way. Call them at 951-541-3498.